Hi everyone, this is Revopoint. In this video, we'll show you the new features in the latest Revo Measure update. 1. Template creation. After completing manual measurement, click Export as Template in the File menu bar to save the current measurement process as a template. You can tailor the required features and outputs, simplifying one-click measurement workflows for future use. 2. Using template measurement. This feature is mainly suitable for batch measurement workflows. For example, after measuring a model, export the results as a template and save it. When you have multiple scan files of the same object to measure, click Use Template on the homepage and select the appropriate template. In the Template Measurement interface, click Measurement Settings and select the files you want to measure. Real-time file update monitoring is enabled by default. If needed, you can set an exception handling method and the save path for reports. After completing the settings, click Start Measurement in the upper left corner to begin the automatic measurement. Three. Added X, Y, Z distance measurement. You can now choose to measure distances along the X, Y, or Z axes in distance measurement. The default option is the straight line 3D distance. Four. Point deviation measurement. Besides selecting points manually by double-clicking, you can pick points by entering specific coordinates on the reference model or by importing a point coordinate file. 5. Added Create from Reference Mesh option. When the reference model is a mesh model, the software will, by default, create features on the reference mesh model. 6. Added Cone feature. Cone features can be created using methods like Create from CAD, Smart Fit, or Fit by selected points. 7. Added Lasso tool. During Smart Fit, you can use the Lasso tool alone or combine it with other tools to create various features. 8. Added one-click feature recognition function. When the reference model is a CAD model, select the feature type you want to recognize. For example, select Cylinder, choose Create from CAD, then click One-Click Feature Recognition. The system calculates and displays all recognized cylinders. Click Create to finish creating the batch feature. This video highlights the key updates in the latest version of Revo Measure. Revo Measure will keep getting updates, so stay tuned for upcoming software tutorials. See you in the next video.